Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to do men makeup and what products to use. So if you want to know, stay tuned till the end. गुड मॉर्निंग पीपल ऑफ द इंटरनेट. आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग रियली गुड. जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते, मेरा नाम है राघव मेहता एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, go down and hit the subscribe button and do press the bell icon too. So today I have a really special guest with me. She's a young and a budding makeup artist. Her name is Siddhu Kalra and she's gonna help me with the men's makeup. Hi Siddhu.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Come sit. So Siddhu, do you wanna have something?
No, I'm fine.
नहीं, हमारा बजट अच्छा है, हम आपके लिए कॉफी वगैरह मंगा सकते हैं.
Okay, we can have cold coffee.
Okay, ठीक है, I'll order. Hey Siddhu, tell us something about yourself.
So, my name is Siddhu Kalra. I'm a freelancer at makeup and it's been 1 year since I'm in this profession, and to assure you, I have done my makeup before. So like, I just want to comfort you with that. And if you want to check my work, you can go check it out on Instagram. It's Siddhux_Maculage.
क्या Maculage? क्या? How do we say like?
It's not Maculage neither. It's Mackie. It's Maculage. Siddhux_Maculage. So it means, it's an Italian word that means makeup.
I am feeling very tense and shy. Like I don't know how this thing will go. Like, will I look like a girl or?
No. Like, see, today we are doing no makeup look, and this is to enhance your appearance. This is not to make you a girl or. आप जैसे दिखते हो आप वैसे ही रहोगे. This is makeup, not plastic surgery.
Okay, ठीक है. Let's try it. Like, let's go.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
So the first, most important and the basic step of makeup is to remove the excess dirt and oil on the face, and for that I am using a wet towel. Next I am using this face mist, and this one's from Herbs and More. And since Raghav has oily and sensitive skin, so I'm not going for harsh toners. I'm using this organic mist, and it is to prevent oil buildup.
अब ये ना हो कि I start liking makeup after this. एक करके और बढ़ जाएगा मुझे.
So next here I'm using this Versali Unicorn Essence Serum. I'm using it to prep his skin before makeup and to bridge the gap between primer and makeup. It will give a very soft finishing and it would help his makeup to last longer. Next here I'm using pore primer, and this one's from Sephora. And pore primers are used to protect your pores from getting clogged from makeup. Plus it instantly works to absorb excess oil, minimize other imperfections and prolong the longevity of your makeup. So basically it helps your makeup to stay. So our next yet most important step is a primer. Since Raghav has oily skin, so I'm gonna go with this mattifying primer from Kiko, and I'm gonna apply this primer all over his face so that makeup just glides on and it becomes easy to blend.
So guys, how do I look? Like मेरी शक्ल कुछ अलग लग रही है?
अभी सिर्फ बेस है और इनको लग रहा है बहुत कुछ हो गया है फेस पे.
Like, do I look different or no? But I feel good यार, मतलब like the smell of the makeup, like products that I'm using, is really good. Like, I'm actually liking the fragrances. They're very different. They're very fruity. I don't know it's coming out of her or them or I don't know, but it's good.
So अब since he has a bit dark circles, ज़्यादा नहीं, तो फिर हम थोड़ा रेड कलर कलेक्ट करेंगे.
I have dark circles.
Yes, you do have.
Do I sleep like 7 hours a day, bro?
But
Okay, fine. ठीक है.
तो हल्का सा रेड कलर कलेक्शन करेंगे ओनली अंडर द आईज और वेयर जहाँ पे इनके फेस पे डार्क स्पॉट्स है, लाइक ओवर हियर, और हम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे डार्क एरिया है फेस.
एक मिनट कट मारना,
एक
एक मिनट कट मार लो, कट मार।
बस ये शॉट लेने जल्दी हो।
एक मिनट कट, एक सेकंड सुन तो लो, कैसा लग रहा?
चलो
चलो 3, 2, 1 एक्शन।
So next time going for color correcting, not everyone requires color correcting. Only if you have dull skin or acne, red spots on your skin, you can color correct them. You can hide them using color correcting and concealers. So here Raghav has many red spots and acne on his skin. I'm gonna cover them all using this green color corrector, and this one's from LA Girls.
You always have to just dab. You never have to press it on your skin or anything. Just dab.
Guys, don't dab like that. Okay, be careful.
Next, I'm gonna apply foundation. For this, I prefer to mix two shades. First, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Ivory Rose. And the second foundation that I'm gonna mix it with is from Sugar Cosmetics Drop the Base Serum Foundation in the shade 37 Fredo. I'm just gonna mix them both and take a single layer and apply it all over the face and blend it evenly. Now, I'm just gonna fill the eyebrows using this eyebrow pencil from Nykaa in the shade brown. I will not shape it and just fill it to give it a natural look. And now I'm using this eyebrow mascara from NYX Cosmetics to define his eyebrows a bit more. And now the next most important step in makeup is baking. For that, I'm using this loose powder from Buckwheat Cosmetics. Now, I'm contouring his face a little bit just to highlight his features.
You can do that. मतलब मेरे को फिर डाइट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
बिल्कुल.
मतलब तुम मेरे को पतला कर सकते हो।
With makeup.
सच्ची में?
Everything's possible.
मैं पागल हूँ, मैं इतनी डाइट वेट कर रहा हूँ। मैं तो पहले तो मेकअप करके बैठ जाता घर में, पतले हो गए। So guys, this is my favorite thing. Like it's a good stress reliever. You can actually play with it. I don't know what is it called.
It's a beauty blender.
If you're watching this, buy Beauty Blender, please. You guys can trust me on this.
And next, I'm applying this very nude lip shade just to balance out his look and highlight his features.
So hey guys, my makeup is done, and after like getting my makeup done, I don't feel any less of a man. Contrary to that, I feel very confident about myself, and I just look at myself in the mirror and I think that I don't look that bad. Like मैं शायद थोड़ा सा और गोरा वगैरह लग रहा हूँ, and like all the marks that I had on my face, they have disappeared. And I would really love to thank Siddharth for like making me feel like that. And if you guys want to feel like what I am feeling right now, you can go in the description, follow her on her page or contact her on her page.
It's Maculage, it's not Maculage for everyone. You should know it.
If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, do subscribe and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. And for now, I'll leave. I'll see you next time. Peace.